Just by looking at this mochi, you can guess the smoothness of their skin. They hide a melting black sesame stuffing. The sweet coconut milk completes the flavor of this delicious dessert. Here are the ingredients for 6 people. Start by preparing the black sesame stuffing. Toast 50 grams of black sesame seeds over low heat. At the beginning, stir from time to time. After 1 minute, regularly stir. After 3 minutes, turn off the heat and keep stirring for another 20 seconds. Keep aside 1/2 teaspoon. Grind them very finely. Put them in a bowl. Add 30 grams of almond powder, 50 grams of sugar, 60 grams of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of water. Combine. Put the stuffing in the small bag. Remove the air. Close the bag. Put it in the freezer to firm it up. During this time, prepare the dough to make the mochi skin. In the mixing bowl, put 250 grams of glutinous rice flour, a pinch of salt. Combine. Add 20 centiliters of cold water. Combine. Knead until getting a smooth dough. The dough is brittle, difficult to work with. Take a portion of 60 grams. Flatten it. Put it in boiling water for 3 minutes. Move it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Take it out and put it with the dough. Knead to obtain a uniform dough. Put some glutinous rice flour on your hand to prevent the dough from sticking. The small piece of cooked dough is sticky. It will make the whole dough malleable. Put it in a bag and let it rest while continuing the preparation. Toast 10 grams of white sesame seeds over low heat for 2 minutes. Briefly crush them. Put them in a bowl. Add ½ teaspoon of roasted black seeds. Mix. Take the sesame stuffing out of the freezer. It stays there for 40 minutes. Cut it into 30 small cubes. Form balls. Now make the mochi. Take 1/3 of the dough. Keep the remaining in the bag to prevent it from drying out. Form a log. Divide it into 10 parts. Take one piece, press on it with your thumb to form a small ball. Enlarge it. If needed, dip your fingers in cornstarch. Enclose a ball of sesame stuffing in the dough. Round the shape. At this stage, you can freeze them. Dilute 10 grams of cornstarch in 3 tablespoons of water. Cook the mochi over medium heat in 1 liter of boiling water. Gently stir them from time to time to prevent them from sticking to the pan. During this time, heat 40 centiliters of coconut milk in the microwave oven. It gets hot, but it shouldn't boil. Also now the mochi come up on the surface. After about 6 minutes, remove 50 centiliters of water. Add the coconut milk. A pinch of salt and 50 grams of sugar. Mix. Add the diluted starch. Occasionally stir. 2 or 3 minutes later, just before boiling, turn off the heat. The black sesame mochi in sweet coconut milk are ready. Serve the bones. Sprinkle them with the white and black sesame seeds. Bon appétit! Tasting this sesame mochi in coconut milk will amaze your guests. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.